Hello, it's Tuesday the 28th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So, Kemi Badenoch has been on. She has called Chancellor Reeves right out as Reeves takes every opportunity to elevate economic growth as a priority above all else. Badenoch thinks that she risks confusing her pledges to act with any actual achievements. 1.5 million new homes over 5 years? Completed it, mate. Reeves made much of the planning laws to enable this, but then reality bites. She has tried to brush past the fact that we just don't have the requisite skilled workers to deliver this pledge, and she is off to focus on the next headline. Third runway at Heathrow? Completed it, mate. But hey, with all the increased long-term borrowing costs, Reeves will probably need to cut her spending plans and shelve some of her infrastructure projects, unless, of course, she's going to raise taxes. Either way, her reputation will likely take another knock, whatever that decision may be. Meanwhile, over in the US, Trump has been on. Dear old Donald has said that DeepSeek was a wake-up call for US tech. That was after reports suggested Chinese AI was built at a fraction of the cost of the US AI. We're talking millions rather than billions. And they have delivered a more efficient open source model that requires a lot less computing power. Word to the wise though, we should probably not ask that about Tiananmen Square, okay? Nevertheless, DeepSeek has rocketed to the top of the App Store, while Nvidia, Microsoft and Meta can expect further stock market sell-offs, as around $1 trillion of tech stocks have been dumped in pre-market trading. That's pushed the S&P 500 over 2% lower, I think, before the bell. At a more macro level, Q4 GDP will likely show 2.8% growth at the back end of last year, which would be the highest in the G7. Dear old Donald is still demanding more though, but Powell's Fed will be slightly more concerned about PCE inflation data, which is due out on Friday. That is forecast higher again, higher at 2.6%. In the market, we kick off this morning around 124.30 against the dollar, 119.15 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 104.30 on the open. That's it from me. I'm off to download DeepSeek.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.